Welcome to Racers and Rods media coverage of the first annual Sunshine State Showdown Car and Truck Show. We hope you enjoy the show.
Jim here, Racers and Rods, Media and Events. Hey, we're out here in Eustis, Florida, out in the middle of the state, Central Florida here today. Oh, there you go. You can see me now. Hey, so we're out here at Lake County Fairgrounds. We're out here for the first annual Sunshine State Showdown Car and Truck Show. Like I said, we're here in Eustis, north of Orlando, in the middle of the state here, Lake County Fairgrounds. A little bit of a late start today. I think a lot of people stayed home this morning, didn't come and travel last night. So a little bit late getting here, but we're starting to fill up. We're getting a lot of cars and trucks coming in, a lot of beautiful machines, and he's here. And so we're going to go around. Johnny's been out. I've been taking photos. Johnny's been out doing some video this morning. We're going to get some interviews in and such. I got my my microphone with me here, got things going. So let's go around and see what we can see. It's going to be a fun day. Check this out. Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole. Guys, we're here live, Sunshine State Showdown. Brian, tell them where we're at. What are we doing? What's going on here?
Man, we're having a party, having a blast. We're over here at the Sunshine Throwdown.
And you screwed it up too. See, look, I tried to give this guy one shot. One shot, he screwed it up. Sunshine State Showdown.
Sunshine State Throwdown.
Don't worry, Tank. We know you didn't pay him. I got you, bro. I got you.
All right, tell us who you are and where you're from.
I'm Scott Davis with Sweet 16 Customs in Zellwood, Florida.
And tell us about the hot rod you got here behind you.
Now, this is my 53 Bel Air, my dream car since I was 16 years old.
My name's Jimmy with Sweet 16 Customs. We're a shop over here in Zellwood, Florida.
And tell us about this beautiful ride you brought with you today.
This is a early model 47 Chevy pickup that we did some work on a couple years ago.